Assalamu alaikum all. How are you? I think all of you fine. We are discussing lesson number 6, manufacturing industries. Right? Okay. Today we will discuss the remaining portions. Okay, we will start from mineral based industries. What is mineral based industry? This is an industry which use minerals or metals as it is raw material. That is mineral based industry. Here minerals or metals are the raw material. Okay, we will start from iron and steel industry. Iron industry or steel industry is a basic industry. Many industries are depending upon this iron or steel industry. As you know, the raw materials for many industries are coming from iron or steel industry. If we closely observe, many raw materials for many industries are iron or steel. Here, iron ore, coking coal and limestone are required. You know what is the iron ore? That is the basic one for the production of the iron or steel. Then coking coal also very important. Coking coal is a high graded coal used to burn the iron. And also needed the limestone in the ratio of 4:2:1. So iron ore, coking coal and limestone also required in the ratio of 4:2:1. Manganese also required for the production of steel. Anyway, in 2016, India ranked the third position in the production of crude steel. In 2016, India ranked third position in the world, especially in the production of crude steel. But in the same year, the India's per capita consumption of the steel is only 63% against the world's 208 kilogram. India's per capita steel consumption is 63 kilogram, not the percentage, 63 kilogram against the world's average of 208 kilogram. What is the per capita consumption of the steel? I told you in 2016 India ranked third position in the production of crude steel, means the raw steel. But in the same year, India's per capita steel consumption is only 63 kilogram against the 208 kilogram of world. What is the consumption or the per capita consumption? The use of steel per person in India, that is the per capita consumption of the steel of India. The use of the steel per person, that is only 63 kilogram against the world's average of 208 kilogram. What is the reason behind it? It is because of the lack of the production or the lack of the industry of final products or finished products. So we have to improve our industry, especially in the case of final production. We are mainly concentrated on the production of the raw material iron or the raw steel or the crude steel production. So repeat the video again and again and have the concept and ask your doubts if you have. Okay.